Grassley says Senate will not revise state and local tax deductions. Americans hoping to get full state and local tax deductibility back will have to wait. Senate Finance Committee Chairman Chuck Grassley will not tweak the new state and local tax deduction cap while he leads the panel, a spokesman for the Iowa Republican said Thursday. U.S. residents are filing taxes for the first time this year under the new GOP written tax code, which limited the deduction for those taxes to $10,000. The statement comes a day after President Donald Trump said revising the deduction limit. Democrats slam. Speaking to regional reporters Wednesday, Trump said some Democrats have slammed the GOP tax plan, which slashed the corporate rate from 35% to 21% and trimmed taxes for most individuals, as a boon to companies and the wealthy. The party when it took. Democrats argue that the policy hurts middle-class families and disproportionately affects blue states. The changes do hit, however, people making more than $100,000 claimed about three-quarters of the $550 billion in state and local taxes deducted in 2015, The Times reported, citing the Government Finance Officers Association. On Thursday, Zona said, its Republicans hold a 53-47 majority in the Senate. Grassley got a confidential news tip? We want to hear from. Sign up for free newsletters and get more CNBC delivered to your inbox. Get this delivered to your inbox, and more info about our products and services. Copyright 2019 CNBC LLC. All rights reserved. Data is a real-time snapshot. Data is delayed at least 15 minutes. Global business and data also provided by
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoke.